Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a slow Archie and back. Knowing how to do a standard Archie would be really helpful, and knowing how to do a side to side would be helpful as well. So I'll put links to those in the description below, so it's really easy and quick for you to find them, and we'll jump straight in with the move. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. Again, this is one of those moves where the timing of it is really useful if you're trying to match something in the music. So if you've got something with a long drawn out note followed by another long drawn out note, then you use the sweep over and the sweep back to hit those two notes, and suddenly it starts to make some sense. So let's break it down. It goes like this: man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle back. Starts like a side to side. So we come in and back out. Looks like we're going to do the same thing, except this time we extend the arm, we roll it all the way up over the top. Remember to reach back enough to make sure it's comfortable for the lady. If you've got the thumb down, that's fine, like you would in a standard Archie, but it's actually not very necessary in this. So it goes all the way over. We're going to be turning and we're going to be catching the back of the lady's arm with our right hand. So as the lady comes around, we can block with both hands, and then we can change direction to reverse, go all the way back over. And this time as we go back out, we're going to push to send the lady away. Guys, head out of the lady's line over to the left and prep the travelling return. And the travelling return finishes it off. So let's do the same thing from this side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, side by side 2, back 3, rolling over 4, 5, block 6, rolling over 7, 8, prep 1, travelling return 2, and back 3. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, slow Archie and back. We go a back, in, out, in, over, block, over for 2, out, through, and look. And that's it, whole thing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Notifications, if you've got them turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of the video, last few seconds in the windows. One will send you to a music video, which will be good to dance this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.